Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to withdraw money from ATM with Revolut. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So these are the steps that you can follow. So first of all, open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut, a mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure that you have a verified Revolut account and have linked your Revolut card to your account. Now locate an ATM. Find an ATM that accepts your Revolut card. Look for ATMs with the Master or Visa logo, as Revolut cards are typically issued as either Mastercard or Visa. Insert your Revolut card. Insert your Revolut card into the ATM card slot. Follow the instructions on the ATM screen. Enter your PIN. When prompted, enter your Revolut card's PIN, personal identification number. This is the PIN you set up during the account setup process or when you received your Revolut card. Select the withdrawal amount. Use the ATM keypad to select the amount of money you want to withdraw. Make sure you have sufficient funds available in your Revolut account to cover the withdrawal amount, including any applicable fees. Confirm the withdrawal. Once you have entered the withdrawal amount, confirm the transaction on the ATM screen. Some ATMs may ask you to confirm the transaction using the keypad, while others may require you to press a confirm button on the screen. Now just go ahead and collect your cash. After confirming the withdrawal, the ATM will dispense the requested amount in cash. Take the cash from the ATM and any receipts if provided. Now check your Revolut balance. After completing the ATM withdrawal, it is advisable to check your Revolut app to ensure that the withdrawal amount has been deducted from your account accurately. Please note that there may be fees associated with ATM withdrawals, depending on your Revolut account type and the ATM provider. Make sure to review Revolut's fee schedule or contact Revolut's customer support for information regarding ATM withdrawal fees and limits specific to your account. Additionally, be aware of any foreign exchange fees or charges that may apply if you are withdrawing money in a different currency than your Revolut account's base currency. Revolut provides competitive currency exchange rates, but additional fees may apply for certain currency conversions or ATM withdrawals in foreign currencies. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.